Welcome to my experiment show. I am going to make a lot of experiments. Some are more scientific than others, but it's still an experiment. Here is the 10 experiments. As you saw, I'm going to start with a skewer through balloon. To do this, you need to press the skewer in the thickest point on the balloon. Just like that. Our next experiment is soap and milk. Start with the milk. Pour it into the plate. About that much. Now, take the food color and pour 1 or 2 drops into the milk. It doesn't matter which color you choose. Take dish soap and pour about 1 drop on something that you can dip into the milk. Dip it in the food color. You see, that's pretty good. Let's take a look at the next experiment called Shake a Coca-Cola. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna shake the Coca-Cola and then open it. So, let's open it. Whoa, that's not good. Let's take the other one and see if you know this. First I'm gonna shake it like this, and then I'm gonna tap it all around the side. Oops. So let's tap it all around. That's pretty good. So let's open it. Whoa, that was good. No foam. Now to the next one, called the tornado tube. First, I try to empty the bottle as fast as possible. Now I'll try to empty it in half the time, by spinning the bottle. Whoa, that was very fast. Okay, egg in the bottle is our next experiment. Whoa, that wasn't supposed to happen. Either the tube was too narrow, or the egg too hard-boiled. I don't really know. In this experiment, I'm gonna show you how powerful dry ice is. Dry ice is 78 degrees Celsius below zero, so always wear gloves and be very careful when using it. Here's the dry ice. Now I'm gonna freeze the candy. Now you can see that the candy is frozen at one end and smooth in the other. I think that's pretty cool, how powerful dry ice is. Here, I'm going to show you how loud dry ice can scream. Don't forget the gloves when you are using dry ice. Do you know why it is screaming? It's because the metal is warm compared to the ice. The metal is about 20 degrees Celsius and the ice is 78 degrees Celsius below zero. It's such a large temperature difference that it shakes and then generates the sound. Now it's time for the next experiment called dry ice soap. Start with the water and fill the can. Then take some food color and place in the water. Take the dry ice and put into the water. Don't forget the gloves. Now let's take some dish soap and put into the water. And immediately the bubble starts to produce. So, have fun with them.
Yeah. Let's go. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Yeah. And we gon' make you lose your mind.
The next experiment is called dry ice bubbles. I put some dry ice into the bottle and then the smoke goes all the way through the hose and I can dip it into the soap.
Yeah. We just wanna see you.
Shake that.
Don't forget the gloves.
In the club, hard rock. Look up for your girl, she on the jock. Now stop when we in the spot. Booty moving weight like she on the block. For the drink, I got to know. Tight jeans, tattoo, cause I'm rockin' raw. Half black, half white, diamond now. Gang of money, open up. Yo, I'm running through these halls like Drano. I got that devilish flow. Rock and roll.
Now I can start to make the bubbles, but it's not the easiest thing to do.
No lead in our Zeppelin. Hey, party rock is in the house tonight. Woo! Everybody just have a good time. Yeah, and we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just have a good time. Let's go. Party rock is in the house tonight. Everybody just have a good time. Feel it, man. And we gon' make you lose your mind. We just wanna see you.
Shake that.
Every day I'm shuffling.
Let's see if I can hold the bubbles with my gloves.
First girl to make me throw this cash. We get money, don't be mad, now stop. Hating is bad. One more shot for us, another round. Please fill up my cup, don't mess around. We just want to see you shaking that. Now you home.
Oh, it doesn't seem so good.
Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sun. Get up, get down, put your hands up to the sun. Put your hands up to the sun. Put your hands up to the sun. Get up, 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 get up. Put your hands up to the sun, to the sun. Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up.
Now it's time for our last experiment called Dry Ice Crystal Bubble. Start with water and fill the jar. Take pretty much water, you need it.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
Take the dry ice and don't forget the gloves. They are very important. Put the ice into the water. You need pretty much.
Your hands up. Put your hands up.
Take some soap.
You're the puzzle piece that I'm missing.
Lube up the edges with it.
To get you close to me. To get you close to me. Why can't you see?
Take a narrow piece of cloth and try to make a bubble. Okay, I tried to make some small bubbles in this one too. Thanks for watching my crazy movie.
King, how many rides you got, Dirty? Well, I got a Caprice on 24s. I got a Range Rover with spinners. I got an Impala with beat. Let's go. I do buy Bentleys and coupe, but I don't give away all my loot. Trick facility, I won't. Ride less than 20 inches, I don't. But I do know this might be a single when I walk my chains on, so they might jingle if she give me